A social media advertising strategy is a plan that outlines the goals, target audience, and ad content for a business's social media advertising campaigns. When developing a social media advertising strategy, it's important to start by setting clear goals. What do you want to achieve with your social media advertising campaigns? Do you want to increase brand awareness, drive traffic to your website, or generate leads? Setting specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals will help guide your strategy and ensure that your campaigns are successful. Next, you'll need to identify your target audience. Who are you trying to reach with your social media advertising campaigns? Consider factors such as demographics, interests, and behavior. Using the targeting options we discussed earlier, you can narrow down your target audience to ensure that your ads are being seen by the right people. Finally, you'll need to create compelling ad content. This means crafting ads that are visually appealing and grab the attention of your target audience. Your ad content should be relevant to your target audience and align with your business goals. You'll also need to monitor and measure the performance of your ad campaign and optimize them to get better performance and return on investment using analytic tools such as Facebook and Google Analytics.